Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Engineering Chemistry Laboratory. I am Suryababu working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Basic Science from Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. Today I would like to give presentation on experiment conductometric titration between strong acid versus strong base. Aim of this experiment to determine strength of HCl using conductometric titration given standard NaOH solution. Required apparatus 50 ml burette, 10 ml pipette, beaker, conical flask, funnel, conductivity meter, conductivity cell. Required chemicals 0.1 molar NaOH solution, unknown HCl solution, distilled water, and oxalic acid. Principle here acid base titration between HCl and NaOH to form NaCl as a salt and neutral compound. Water. Procedure. In this experiment, there are three steps. Step 1 preparation of standard oxalic acid solution. Step 2 standardization of NaOH. Step 3 estimation of HCl using conductometry instrument. Now, step 1 preparation of standard oxalic acid. Accurately weighed required quantity of oxalic acid is transferred into 100 ml volume flask and then make up to the mark with distilled water. And as following procedure, we get normality of oxalic acid 0.048 normality. Step 2 standardization of NaOH solution. In this step, take 10 ml of oxalic acid in conical flask and add 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator, and it is titrated ignited with a NaOH solution from burette until the color change from colorless to pale pink color, and it is noted at end point. The following readings are noted in the following tabular forms and do the calculation as follows. Finally, we get normality of sodium hydroxide as N2 equal to 0.41 normality. Step 3 determination of concentration of strong acid. Conductivity cell is kept in conductivity meter and take 50 ml of test solution into the 100 ml beaker and conductivity is measured. Then subsequently add 0.5 normal strong standard sodium hydroxide solution and measure the conductance of each subsequently add until the test solution is neutralized, and note down the readings as in the tabular following the tabular formula, and then calculate the corrected conductance is equal to conductance into V naught plus Va by V naught. Here V naught is the initial volume of the test solution and Va is the additional volume of the NaOH. Now we observe the calculation part and draw a graph between NaOH and conductance. Here volume of NaOH is taken on x-axis and corrected conductance on y-axis, which give V-shaped graph. The two lines are coincide at a point. The following point is focused on the x-axis, which give the volume of NaOH. And the as following the formula N2V2 equal to N3V3, and here N2 is the normality of sodium hydroxide 0.4 normality, its value from step 2, and Vt is the volume of sodium hydroxide from the graph here 6.5 ml, and N3 is the normality of test solution, and V3 is the volume of test solution HCl. We take a 50 ml in in beaker, and final normality of test solution, that is HCl solution, this is equal to N3 equal to 0.057 normality. This is the report. The concentration of the given test solution as a HCl solution is 0.057